a close one, isn't it?
I mean, it was dynamic, and the scores show it.
Year two, can't wait to get back in that arena. I do not like losing. I don't want to repeat what I did last year.
I've won some really great awards, but honestly, it starts with one step at a time. Let's get through that first round and just crush it.
Are you ready to see the first combatants rock the house? Come on! Let's light this up! Let's take it to the randomizer.
I don't think I want to look yet.
Nutty, vanilla bean, toaster, Yukon Gold, and turkey thigh. And it starts now.
My gameplay this time is to really just focus on how many times can you use the ingredient and just trying to hit that sweet spot.
I should probably get the peanuts.
There's usually one thing on the randomizer that kind of inspires the direction that I go. And for me in this one, it's nutty.
I'm gonna grind the turkey. I'm gonna put it with a little Szechuan peanut sauce for like the nuttiness.
Over roasted potatoes.
Got it.
How we doing, chef?
So we're gonna make a vanilla Yukon Gold brown butter mash.
Yep.
We're gonna nut crust a turkey thigh. In order to get the vanilla flavor into the potatoes, I opted to steep my milk with a vanilla bean pod.
So to make the Szechuan peanut sauce, I start off with tahini. It's got this nice nuttiness. Some soy sauce, so that's gonna bring in a little bit more salty note. Toasted peanuts. And then guess what goes in there? Vanilla bean.
The main part about deep frying this, I gotta make sure the fryer's set not too low where it comes out undercooked, and not too high where all of a sudden the nuts just burn in 30 seconds.
I want to make them almost a sort of like silky potato where it's going to be nice and crusty on the outside. Add in some of the vanilla bean bits and then some of the Szechuan peppercorns.
I don't really use a toaster in a commercial kitchen, so the only thing I can think about is incorporating nuts on top of the salad where they're just toasted.
I should probably try to use the toaster. So why don't I toast the scallions and make a vinaigrette?
5 minutes, chef!
I'm very confident in what I learned last year from TOC, and so it's a redemption round for me. I'm looking to really make it to that final.
I think I definitely represented my cooking well. Bold flavors and something that's really memorable and something that you wouldn't get from someone else.
3, 2, 1. That's it. Judges, thank you very much for being here.
Why does Alex look confused?
I don't think
Oh, good. Here we go.
that I can cook a turkey thigh this well, and I'm super angry about it.
It's nice and crispy. I see all the flecks of the brown butter. I'm getting nutty.
Brown butter, good call.
The only thing that I really wish that I have in this dish is a lot more acid, because it's eating very, very rich.
If I had one thing, I wanted to see more of the Yukon Golds.
Now it's just what Stephanie did.
This is dynamite.
This is really delicious. The only problem that I have with this dish is the vanilla bean. I'm not getting any of it.
It's in everything.
I'm a little on the fence about how much I like the turkey. I would have preferred to see something a little more substantial. That being said, it is delicious.
Thank you very much.
All right, let's go see who got this one.
This is a close one, isn't it?
I mean, it was dynamic, and the scores show it. The difference is 2 points, 84 to 86. 2-point difference inside of the randomizer. And the winner is Michael Reed. Wow, congratulations.
Thank you.
Wow.